Now, I turned the camera off for a couple minutes because, for one thing, it's not all that exciting watching the cabbage fry. Maybe it is, but compared to like cabbage corn or something. So, now I add some hot water. Being sure to spill it all over the place. Yeah, I love the glass cooktop. This is really, really nice. So much better than the old kind with the burners. So, the water was already hot, so now it's in a pot that's on hot. I say hot burner. It's hot water in a hot pot, so it's cooking very nicely and very fast. So, I got me some noodles, because by golly, I love noodles. They're so good. Put 2 rounds. This is equivalent to like 1 package of ramen, but these noodles are a little bit better quality and a little bit more water. So, get down in the water now. So, there we go. A noodle escape, alert! Back in there now. It's getting there. But it's it's pink. It's the cabbage. There we go. In the pot. I'm going to add a stock cube. It's a good kind. Good finish quality. So, no, they did not bribe me to say that, but you live with Finnish people, you root for Finland and Finnish stuff. Whether it's sports or stock cubes or whatever. So, just a word there. Just so you know. And then, dissolve the stock cube. Give a little more saltiness. It's the chicken stock cubes. There's chicken flavor. And while I'm at it, I have some leftover cookies. I've been internally debating whether or not to put this in the braised semi-soup dish, and I decided yes. In with the turkey, and it goes. Just sliced up bits of the Christmas turkey, one of which is on the floor now, so it will go to the dog because I don't eat food that's been on the floor. Woohoo, Shifra! Woohoo, come! Come, dear! And here comes my helper. It's pretty little bits. The bigger slices I want to have to put on the sandwiches. Yes, there you go. Now we have a very happy dog, so nothing goes to waste. And if I don't get to eat it, the happy pup gets to eat it. Num 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 num. And we push the frozen turkey down in the nice hot broth. It's all the seasonings from the green curry and the stock cube and sesame oil and all the other good things I've put in here. Some fresh ginger and garlic. Plastic everywhere. I really hate it. Thankfully, since I live in Sweden, we have plastic recycling, so it melts it down and make more plastic, which is better than throwing it in a landfill or doing something else stupid with it. However, would really prefer to see less packaging in general, and of course you've got things like this that are made out of paper. Much better. For a million reasons, not just environmentally. I mean, how nice is it when you go outside and it's a beautiful day and then there's a whole bunch of stupid pieces of plastic trash blowing in the wind. Kind of puts a damper on your enjoyment, doesn't it? At one point, we also had a compost machine in this apartment complex, but the housing authority took it away. We don't know why. So now my scraps are going in the trash, but they will then end up going to Burroughs, the next bigger town from here. And it will be burned up and turned into energy. So, not totally wasted. Now, sorry about the camera quake, but I needed to get a pot lid out. This is a good one because it has a nice adjustable vent in it, so we can open or close or be half open. One last stir. So, put the lid on, and then just turn the burner off because it will stay warm for a while, and that way the soup can finish cooking. Ooh.